just want to tell you thanks for 100 subscribers, and my store is now open so you guys can get a lot of freebies. I might be doing a giveaway later on, but let's get into the juice of this tutorial. Okay, so for this tutorial you're just going to need two things. Call of Duty Advanced Warfare wallpaper and the logo. Now I've just used Google Images for both of these things, so these should be fairly easy to find. Okay, now once you have your picture of choice into Photoshop, we're going to make a new layer. We're going to go to our gradient tool and pick a color, and we're going to give it a little bit of light. Now as you notice, it transitions from orange to white, but we're going to fix that later on. So go ahead and make another new layer and go from the side, and then another layer from the other side, and then finally from the top. Alright, now you're going to merge these layers by selecting them all, right click and click the merge layers button. After that you're going to go to blending options and we're going to fix that white. So color overlay. Now what this does is it's going to overlay the whole layer with color. Now I'm going to pick a nice orange for this video, and as you notice it's really far in. So we're going to go ahead, select the layer and drag it out a bit so it's just the fade that we want. After that we're going to get our logo and put it in, I don't know, a corner. You might want to make it the main aspect, but for this video I'm just going to be putting it in the corner. So there we go. Alright, now for this tutorial I'm going to use these in a font called American Captain. Now you can download this off font.com, should be fairly easy to find. For this video I'm just going to type trick shotting. Yes, so we're going to grab that, and you guys can play with text and give it a little arch, but I'm going to rasterize the layer and go to perspective. Now what this does is it gives you a tool that you can wrap the text around, you can do whatever crazy stuff you want with it, right? But for this video I'm just going to do that. Alrighty. Now we're going to go back to perspective because I stuffed that, and we're going to put it back a bit, and now we go to our move tool and we're just going to tilt it a bit. Now I'm going to make another layer because Phase usually do this. It's just like put a few question marks or something. Alright, now that we've got that, we'll just like tilt it a bit. And now I'm moving on to layer styles. Now I'm going to use this layer style. You guys can get it out of the Bear 600 pack, but that comes to the end of our tutorial. And if you're not fortunate enough to have Photoshop, you can download this nice clean template off my shop. Thank you, Raven out.